Yes. Now students, next in performance time E. So what we are going to discuss? We are going to discuss about fraction addition, addition of fractions. How to add here. First, here in the first bit, what he has given, see here, 6 by 10 and 11 by 10, we have to add these two fractions. So these two fractions are like fractions. When like fractions are given, then how to add? When like fractions are given, just we have to add the numerators by the common denominator we have to write. So that's it. It's a very simple when like fractions are given. When like fractions are given. Here we have to add numerators. Sum of numerators, that is 6 plus 11 by common denominator we have to take one time. Then 6 plus 11 is 17 by 10. This is the sum. When like fractions are given, just we have to add the numerators and denominator we have to write common denominator one time, only one time. Don't add here 6 plus 11 is 17, 10 plus 10 is 20. No, it is not correct. Only we have to take one time. That common denominator we have to write one time. Either it is 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 100 times, 1000 times, whatever it is. But we have to take only one time. Okay. Now, here, so 3 by 7 plus 4 by 7, the same thing. So, like fractions, then how to add like fractions? We have to add, means we have to find sum of numerators. So, what are the numerators here? 3 and 4. We have to add 3 plus 4 by 7, common denominator, that is 7. 3 plus 4 is 7 by 7. So, here numerator is 7 and denominator is 7. When numerator and denominator is equal, then that value is unit, that is equal to 1, that is equal to 1. So, numerator and denominator is equal, 7 ones are 7 ones are, that is 1 by 1 means the value is 1, the value is 1. So, how we discuss this value is 1? So, in the shading, if complete one circle is shaded, first we divided into 7 parts, that complete 7 parts we shaded, then that is how to represent 7 by 7. So, that represents whole. So, it means numerator and denominator. If numerator and denominator is equal, then that represents whole. Whole means that complete one. Okay. Now, second, add. Here also addition. So, 3 by 20 and 5 by 20 like fractions. So, find sum of the numerators, that is 3 plus 5 by common denominator we have to take one time. 3 plus 5, 8, 8 by 20, that is it. Next, 6 by 24, 7 by 24 plus 3 by 24. So, here all these are like fractions, by 24, by 24, by 24 is given. When like fractions are given, then how to add? 6 plus 7 plus 3, we have to add the numerators. By common denominator, we have to take one time. No need to add this 24 plus 24 plus 24, only one time. So, we have to take common denominator. So, then in simplest way we have to add 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 6 16, 16 by 24, 16 by 24. If you want to simplify, then make it simplification. So, otherwise no need. How to simplify? 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24. The same 8 8 get cancelled. 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is our simplified answer. Simplified answer. Here already in simplified form, no need to simplify. Here we simplified is equal to whole, that is 1. So, here also if simplified, if you want to simplify, then simplify it. 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 20. 4 4 same thing, same common, get cancelled, then 2 by 5. This is simplified form. This is 2 by 3, simplified form. Okay. Next, here find 2 by 3 more than 4 by 3. If 2 by 3 more than 4 by 3, then how much it is? Means we have to add 7 more than 5. If suppose for example 7 more than 5 is how much? 7 more than 5 means we have to add 7 more than 5. 7 plus 2 more than 5 means we have to add 2 plus 5. So, more means that thing we have to add. Here also same thing. So, we have to add, that is 2 by 3 plus 4 by 3. These two are like fractions. We have to find sum of the numerators, that is 2 by 4 by 3. 2 by 4 is 6, 6 by 3. 6 means 3 2s are 6 by 3. 3 is as it is, 3 1s are 3. Then 2 by 1 means 2. 2 by 1 means no need to take by, only 2 is enough. So, here write 2 by 3 more than 4 by 3 is 2. 2 by 3 more than 4 by 3 is 2. Now, here 6 by 7 more than 1 by 7 is how much? Means we have to add 6 by 7 plus 1 by 7. These are like fractions. When like fractions are given, we have to add 6 plus 1. Add numerators by common denominator. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 by 7. Here numerator and denominator same. So, this value make whole, means is equal to 1. Then 6 by 7 more than 1 by 7 is 1. Okay? This is the answer. Okay? In this way we have to find the sum. Okay? If like fractions are given, just you add, you find sum of the numerators divided by common denominator. So, that is our answer. Okay? Now, students, see here addition of unlike fractions. So, before what we did, so addition of a like fraction. Now, so we are going to do addition of unlike fractions. So, then how to add unlike fractions? When unlike fractions are given, first we have to convert unlike fractions into like fractions. Then after that the method is same, add numerators by common denominator we have to write. If simplification is possible, then make it simplify, otherwise leave it. Okay? See here, the first question 3 by 6 and 5 by 12. So, then how to add these unlike fractions? First we have to take the LCM of these denominators 6 and 12. 6 and 12 LCM. When you see these two numbers, 6 is a factor of this 12. If one of a number is factor of the second number, the biggest number is the factor of the smallest one. Smallest number is a factor of the largest one, then LCM of two numbers is the largest one, 12 is the LCM. Then after that what we have to do? So, we have to take first fraction denominator. So, in 6 table when you will get this LCM 12, 2s are. So, that 2 we have to multiply with the 2 numerator and this denominator as well. And with the same, the second fraction similarly we have to do, we have to take 12. In 12 table when you will get 12, 12 1s are, we have to multiply with 1 numerator and denominator. Then 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12 plus 5 1s are 5, 12 1s are 12. Now, these two are like fractions. Now, we have to add. Now, we have to add numerators. Sum of the numerators by denominator. 6 plus 5, 11. 11 by 12. 11 by 12. So, 11 by 12 is a proper fraction. No need to change this proper fraction into proper fraction. If improper fraction is there, then you have to convert improper fraction into mixed fraction. Already it is proper fraction. Okay? Now, the second one. Here also we have to take the LCM of these denominators 9 and 36. Here 9 is a factor of 36, 9 4s are 36, then LCM is 36. The bigger number is the LCM. Then after that what we have to do? So, with these denominators we have to check when you will get this 36. 4s are. So, with that 4 we have to multiply numerator and denominator. And with the second fraction also, for second fraction denominator, we have to check this LCM where it will come. 36 ones are 36. With 1 we have to multiply numerator and denominator of second fraction. Then after that, 2 4s are 8 by 9 4s are 36. 1 1s are 1 by 36 1s are 36. After that, sum of numerators, these two are like fractions, by 36 by 36. Then add numerators by common denominator. 8 plus 1, 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 by 36. Then how? 9 is same, 36 means 9 4s are 36. Here simplification is possible. So then simplify it. 9 9 get cancelled. Then 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is your answer. 1 by 4 is your answer. Okay. Now, here also, unlike fractions are given. Unlike fractions, how to add the same procedure? Here, see, 4, 6 and 12 LCM we have to find. So here, observe carefully here. 4 is a factor of 12. 6 is also factor of 12. 4 3s are 12, 6 2s are 12. So both 4 and 6 are the factors of 12. So if the two numbers are the factors of this third number, the largest number is the LCM. 12 is the LCM. Now in 4 table, when you will get 12? 4 3s are, multiply with 12, numerator and denominator of the first fraction. Then second fraction denominator. So when you will get 12? 2s are, 6 2s are 12, multiply numerator and denominator with 2. Multiply numerator and denominator with 2. And third fraction denominator. In 12 table, when you will get 12? 1s are, multiply with 1, numerator and denominator of third fraction. Then 3 3s are, 9 by 4 3s are 12, 9 by 12 plus 1 2s are 2 by 6 2s are 12 plus 5 1s are 5 with 12 1s are 12. Now sum of numerators, 9 plus 2 plus 5 by common denominator. 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 5, 16. 16 by 12. Then 16 means 4 4s are. 12 means 4 3s are. 4 4 get cancelled. 4 by 3. 4 by 3. This is a improper fraction. So improper fraction we have to convert into proper fraction. So 3 divides this 4. 3 1s are 3. 1 is left. It means 1 1 by 3. Quotient into remainder by divisor. 1 1 by 3. 1 1 by 3. Okay. Now the second. 24 4 8. So we have to take the second fraction. 24 4 and 8. These three denominators. 4 6 are 24. 8 3s are 24. So 4 and 8, these two are the factors of 24. It means the LCM of these three numbers is 24. Why 24? 4 6 are 24, 8 3s are 24. In 4 table and 8 table, so you are getting 24 as LCM. So 24 is the 24 as a 24. So 8 and 4 are the factors of this 24. So 24 is the LCM. Now in 24 table, when you will get 24, 1s are, multiply with 1, numerator and denominator. In 4 table, 4 6s are, multiply with 6. 8 3s are, multiply with 3. 1 1s are 1, 24 1s are 24 plus 3 6s are 18, 6 4s are 4 6s are 24. 5 3s are 15 by 24. Now add sum of the numerators by 24, common denominator. 34 by 24. If we add 15 plus 18, 33 and 34, 34 by 24, then 2 17s are 34, 2 12s are 24, 2 get cancelled. So 17 by 12. If we convert 17 by 12 in mixed fraction, why? Because this is improper fraction. Improper fraction we have to convert into mixed fraction. 12 divides 17. 12 ones are 12. 5 is left. That means 1 5 by 12. So this is our answer. Okay. So in this bit more one question is left. That similar question, your home assignment. Okay. Next, see here, addition of unlike fraction, the second one. The next bit is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. In this blanks, what he has given? 5, a whole part and a fraction part is given. If whole part and a fraction part is given, then how to add? When a whole part and fractional part is given, one thing you have to remember. The fraction is a like fraction or unlike fraction, first you have to check. Here 13 by 5, this is unlike fraction. So, and also we have to check this is proper or improper, not like or unlike. We have to check proper or improper fraction. So, whenever a whole part and a fractional part is given, first you have to check the fractional part. So, what is this fractional part? This fractional part is a proper fraction or improper fraction. Here 13 by 5 is given. So, this is improper fraction. Whenever improper fraction is given, first we have to convert improper fraction into proper first. Okay. See here, how to convert this improper into proper. This denominator divides this numerator, 13 divided by 5. 5 2s are 10, then 3 remainder left. Then, so first we have to take the whole part as it is plus. So, what is this improper fraction into mixed form? So, this quotient into remainder by divisor, 2 3 by 5. 13 by 5 improper fraction we have to convert into mixed form. Then after that how to add? So, we have to add whole part first. 5 plus 2, 5 plus 2 7, 7 3 by 5, that is it. 3 by 5 we have to write, 3 by 5 we have to write as it is. Okay. This is the method when improper fraction is given. When improper fraction is given, first we have to convert improper fraction into mixed form, then after that we have to add whole parts, 5 plus 2 7, and this fractional part we have to write. Next, after that, here the second question is 3 plus 6 by 8. Then 6 by 8 is a proper fraction. When proper fraction is given, no need to change further, just you have to remove this plus and write 3 6 by 18. So, this is our answer, that is it. Next, see 5 by 12 plus 0. If 0 is added to any fraction, then the answer is the fraction itself. It means 5 by 12 only is the answer. That is it. Okay. So, these are the methods to do. So, when a whole part and a fractional part is given, then how to add. Then after that, in performance times G, subtraction. So, then how to subtract? The method is same, instead of plus we have to do minus here. Okay. Here all these are like fractions, by 5 by 5, by 8 by 8 in second question, in third question by 75 by 75. Then how to do? So, in this we have to subtract the numerator, first numerator minus second numerator by common denominator. 16 minus 11, 16 minus 11 is 5, 5 by 5. Here numerator and denominator same, so it makes whole part, that is 1. Next, here 7 by 8 minus 3 by 8, like fraction. So, first fraction minus second fraction divided by common denominator. 7 minus 3 is 4, 4 by 8, 4 by 8. So, if you want to simplify, then make it simplified form. Then 4 as it is, 8 means 4 2s are 8. 4 1s are 4 1s are get cancelled. In the numerator 1 and in denominator 2. 1 by 2 in simplified form. Here by 75 means like fraction. How to subtract? 69 minus 46 by 75. 69 minus 46 is how much? So 9. 9 minus 6 is how much? 3. 6 minus 23. 23 by 75. 23 by 75. So this is the difference of these two fractions. 23 is a prime number, no need to cancel further. Okay. So these are the simplified form of a given fractions difference. Okay. Now here next, in performance time H, subtraction of unlike fractions. Unlike fractions, how to subtract? So the same method. So in addition what we did, the same method we have to follow in subtraction also. So here we have to convert unlike fractions into like fractions first. Unlike fractions into like fractions first by taking LCM of the denominators. See here, in the first question, 4 and 3. 4 and 3. These two are the serial numbers, consecutive numbers. So then what is the LCM when consecutive numbers are given? So just we have to multiply, find the product of these two. 4 3 is a 12. 12 is the LCM. 12 is the LCM. Now after that, in first fraction denominator, so in 4 table when you will get 12, 3 is a, multiply with 3, numerator and denominator. Again in 3 table when you will get 12, 4 is a, multiply with 4, numerator and denominator. 3 3 is a 9 by 4 3 is a 12 minus 1 4 is a 4 by 3 4 is a 12. Then after that we have to subtract numerators, difference of the numerators. 9 minus 4 by common denominator. 9 minus 4, 5. 5 by 12. This is the answer. This is the answer. In the next, here 9 by 10 minus 1 by 6. Here we have to find the LCM, 10 and 6 LCM. These two are even numbers, we have to divide with 2. 2 5s are 2 3s are. Now these two are prime numbers, now you stop. 2 5s are 10, 10 3s are 30. 30 is the LCM. So in first fraction denominator, when you will get this LCM, 3s are, multiply with 3, numerator and denominator. In 6 table when you will get 30, 5s are, 6 5s are, multiply with 5, numerator and denominator. Then after that, 9 3s are 27 by 10 3s are 30 minus 5 1s are 5 by 6 5s are 30. Then these two are like fractions. Now difference of numerators, 27 minus 5 by common denominator 30. 27 minus 5, 22. 22 by 30. So write in simplified form. How? These two are even numbers. 2 11s are 22, 2 15s are 30. 2 get cancelled. 11 by 15 in simplified form. 11 by 15 in simplified form. Next question. 8 and 4 LCM we have to take. 8 and 4. 4 is a factor of 8. 4 2s are 8. So LCM is the bigger one, 8. Now in 8 table when you will get 8, 8 1s are. In 4 table when you will get 8, 4 2s are. 7 1s are 7 by 8 1s are 8 minus 3 2s are 6 by 4 2s are 8. Now these are in like fractions form. Now difference of numerators, 7 minus 6 by common denominator. 7 minus 6 is 1, 1 by 8, 1 by 8. Okay. Then after that, 10 and 2 LCM we have to take. 2 is a factor of this 10. 2 5s are 10. So, LCM is 10. In 10 table, when you will get 10? 1s are 2 table, 5s are multiply with 5. 9 1s are 9, 10 1s are 10, minus 5 1s are 5, 2 5s are 10. 9 minus 5, difference of numerators by common denominator, that is 4 by 10. If you want to simplify it, simplified form, write in simplified form. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 2. Simplified form, 2 by 5. 2 by 5 is in simplified form. Okay. Now, seven minus 4 by 6. So, here we have to take by 1. 1 and 6 LCM, 1 and 6 LCM we have to take. So, 1 and 6 LCM is 6. When 1 is there, 1 and 6, 1 and any number is there, the LCM is the any number, that is 6. In one table, when you will get 6, 6 are. In 6 table, when you will get 6, 1s are. 7 6 are 42 by 1 6 are 6. 4 1s are 4 by 6 1s are 6. That is now like fractions, difference of numerators. 42 minus 4 by 6, that is 38 by 6. 38 by 6. Now, simplified form, 38 means 2 19s are, 2 3s are, 3 3 cancel. 19 by 3, 19 by 3. It is improper fraction, convert into mixed fraction. 3 6 are 18, 3 6 are 18. 18 means 19, 1 left, 1 by 3. That we have to write. So, you have to do in detail how to convert mixed fraction. Okay. Already we did how to convert the given fraction into mixed fraction. In that way, you have to do this one. Here 1 and 5 LCM. 1 and 5 LCM is 5. In one table, when you will get 5, 5s are, 5s are. In 5 table, when you will get 5, 1s are, 1s are. 5 5s are 25, 1 5s are 5. 1 1s are 1, 5. Then difference of numerators, 25 minus 1 by 5. It is 24 by 5. Then in mixed fraction, 5 4s are 20, 4 left, 4 by 5. 4 4 by 5 in mixed fraction. Okay. So, you have to do like this. Okay. So, this is the method to do subtraction. Okay. Now, next, in performance time J, properties of subtraction, properties of subtraction. So, these blanks based on the properties of subtraction in fractions. The first one, dash minus 0 gives 13 by 5. The same number, so whatever number is the answer, if that number is there here, means if from any fraction 0 is subtracted, then you will get the number itself, the number itself. It means here also we should get 13 by 5. 13 by 5 minus 0 is always the fraction itself, the fraction itself. The fraction minus 0 is always the fraction itself. Okay. Here and here, the question and answer is same. When the question and answer same, so when here 0 is there. So, when you have 0 here, then only you will get the same answer. The fraction minus 0 is the fraction itself, is the answer. Okay.